Gone are the days of searching high and low for batteries, which ironically usually occurs in the dark. You don't really have to buy batteries in most cases anymore. Rechargeables are the new now, and flashlights now come in longer lasting rechargeable batteries and use powerful LED bulbs that produce light output nearly 75% stronger than traditional battery powered incandescent flashlights. They're sleeker too and often made of waterproof and drop resistant materials. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shibabs, and in this video we're going to unbox and check out the USB portable LED rechargeable flashlight. We'll be looking at model HY912 or S445 5 LED flashlight. We're going to go through the general specs of each flashlight, how powerful they are, and if they're really worth it. Without further ado, let's get started.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns.
Upon opening the box, we have one LED flashlight and one USB charging cable. The flashlight is made of ABS plastic. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery and so doesn't need a battery replacement, which in the long run helps you save money. This torch is suitable for camping, riding, running, night hiking, climbing, fishing, hunting, reading, car repair, DIY works, emergencies such as power outage, or let's just say blackout. Now let's talk about some general features. First, I love the fact that it is rechargeable and can be recharged using a power bank, the wall socket, laptop, anything using the micro USB cable included. This flashlight is powered by 5 LED bulbs and provides quite a bright illumination. The lighting distance is about 100 meters. It has 3 lighting modes, including a COB LED light on the side, making a total of 4 lighting modes. There is a power indicator on the side, and yes, it is waterproof, but no, not that waterproof. It is made of IPX6 waterproof and aluminum alloy material with built-in waterproof rubber ring to resist rain and splashes basically, but not to completely immerse in water. Use this flashlight is very basic. First thing to do is charge. There is an indicator light that helps you determine the remaining power. Full charge usually takes 1 hour after first reception at least. Each light is at 25% of the full power. Lifetime is about 2 to 4 hours according to the manual, but depending on the mode it varies. In my case, I've used this flashlight for about an hour or more before it starts to dim. To access the 4 lighting modes on the side, press the switch button and you can shuffle between high, low, strobe, and side light. One more click and you can turn off the light. A powerful handheld LED flashlight is one of the most important survival tools that every person and family needs to have. For what I need it for, brightness is good, the quality and value are also very good. Grip is another thing. Fits comfortable in your hand. If you're gonna fish or something like that, you might want to take a portable battery with you to recharge the flashlight just in case. That's it for now. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the 5 LED USB portable rechargeable flashlight, model HY912. If you're interested in knowing more about where you can get this flashlight or something similar, you can click on the links below in the description. I appreciate your time here. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Also, let me know what you think about the item in the comment section, and don't forget to share some experience if you already have one with this flashlight. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon.